Most people use Telegram to trigger and interact with their n8n workflows. But today, I'm showing alternative for that. This is AgentBridge, a separate Android app. It acts as a client for your n8n workflows, communicating over HTTP, without relying on Telegram. AgentBridge supports both text and voice messages, and it can receive text and voice responses from n8n as well. The app also sends along a chat ID, so n8n can maintain context between users and conversations. Let's dive into how it works. First, I'm adding a webhook node and opening its settings. I change the webhook path to text. This sets the endpoint where the app will send its data. Then I set the HTTP method to post, since the app sends message content and chat IDs in the body of the request. For authentication, n8n supports secure methods like JWT, but for this quick demo, I'm leaving it set to none. In the response section, I choose Respond Immediately. This helps us set up quickly, but later we'll update it to Respond with Response Hook. Now I connect an Edit Fields node to the webhook node. In this node, I add 3 string fields, message, chat ID, and type, which helps structure the incoming data for the next steps. For the type field, I set the value to text. This helps identify the message format. With that done, I trigger a test. Then I switch over to the AgentBridge app. Here I enter the n8n webhook URL and save it. Send a message, "Hi." Keep in mind, test and production URLs are different, especially if you're using tools like tunnels or reverse proxies, so always update the URL accordingly. You can change your n8n webhook URL in an environment variable. After the test is successfully triggered, the Edit Fields node is reopened. The webhook response schema is now visible, showing the structure of the incoming data in the request body. From the schema body section, the text field is dragged into the message value, and the chat ID field is mapped to the chat ID value. Next, an AI agent node is added to the workflow and opened for configuration. The source for prompt is set to define below. From the input schema of the previous Edit Fields node, the message field is dragged and dropped into the prompt area. A chat model is added to the AI agent node, so it can process the message and generate a smart reply. A simple memory node is added and opened. The session ID is set to Define Below, and the chat ID from the Edit Field schema is dragged into the key field to manage sessions. An Edit Fields node is added after the AI agent, then opened to add a string field called Output. After executing the previous node, the AI agent's output is dragged into the Output field value. A Respond to Webhook node is added and opened. Then the response code is set to 200 to indicate a successful request. Back in the first webhook node, the response option is changed from Respond Immediately to using Respond to Webhook node. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos on n8n, automation, and tools like AgentBridge. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment. I'm here to help. And don't forget to check the description for all related links and resources.